Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to do a simple and easy Easter bunny. So let's get started with a black marker here. I'm going to use the fine tip and we're going to draw an oval shape right in the middle of our page. It doesn't have to be perfect, it can just be a shape like that. That's the bunny's head. And let's draw some large bunny ears. 1, 2. Kind of like big giant upside down raindrops. And inside the bunny ear we'll do another upside down raindrop. Okay, let's make this bunny have happy squinting eyes. So there's 1 rainbow, 2 rainbow, and in the middle we'll do a kind of a soft pointy nose. It's an oval that kind of goes down to a point and a line. Let's do a side smile. Okay, well, this bunny's gonna have 1, 2, 3 small whiskers. 1, 2, 3 small whiskers. And let's do a couple of circles right here for the bunny feet. So we'll do 1, 2, and inside the bunny feet we'll do some paw prints. 3 toes and a paw, right? 1, 2, 3, and a paw. And let's make this, let's have some bunny hands sitting on those feet. These are 2 little ovals, and from this oval we'll connect it to the head. 1, 2, the bottom of the body, 3. And over here we'll draw a couple of Easter eggs. They kind of touch the foot. This one will start at this foot. There we go. Behind these Easter eggs is kind of the grass. And that's basically it. We can color this Easter bunny and design the eggs how we see fit. So hit fast forward and color your Easter bunny.